Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and it's raining. Let me show you the view. This is my house on the terrace, and those are the hills. It's completely covered with fog. Clouds. I'm sorry. This is my garden. This scenery just gives me peace. I don't know, for some reason. Nature heals me. So I'm here to pluck a flower for my mom. This is the lotus. It's unique. I've never seen a lotus like this before. Yeah. See this? Yeah. I'm gonna walk for a while here. I've been feeling down lately. Like, not just down. I'm like depressed lately, but every time I come up and watch this, watch the nature, watch my garden and the flowers, it just reminds me that everything's gonna be alright, you know? Like, the sun will shine again, the rain will stop. It's like a continuous process. Yeah, it's beautiful. Everything is beautiful, life is beautiful. That's what it just reminds me. So, I want you all to know that everything will be alright. Whatever you're going through, just hold on tight. It's a beautiful life. Oh, those are my blankets. Let me take you on a little tour of my garden, since we're here anyways. This is the banana. Yeah, it will ripe in a few weeks or so. And this is the mango. This is mango, and that's, see over there? That's guava. This is eggplant or brinjal. Those are the grapes plantation. Yeah. We got a lot of grapes from there last year, but this year it's a failure. Anyway, this is capsicum, bell peppers is what they call. These are all flowers. My mom loves flowers, so there's 80% of them are flowers. Oh, it's raining still. Oh my child, I know it hurt and you can't let go. See this? It's beautiful. Yeah, this is the thing that heals me. I hope you like this little tiny cringe vlog. And there's another thing I want to say is that be cringe. Embracing cringe is a part of growth, you know? Like, you're at least doing something. So yeah, that is it for the vlog. It's a tiny vlog. It's just a reminder that I'm alive, and I'll be coming soon. It's just I'm coping up with some hostile situations. Oh, that's a little bit English right there. Everything will be alright. Yeah, this is what I wanted to remind you today. Have a good day. Bye.